Hello, today's topic is inverse of a matrix. A square matrix A is said to be invertible if there exists a square matrix B such that it is a square matrix and it is called an invertible matrix if there exists another matrix of the same order such that AB is equals to IN is equals to BA. And we say the inverse is equals to B. Now we try to understand this concept with an example. If for the matrix A we have A cube equals to I and we need to find A inverse. Okay, so how can we find this? As we know that A cube can be written as A square into A, which is equals to I. Therefore A inverse can be written as A square. So the right answer is A square. Now take another example. Example 2. Suppose A and B are two square matrices such that AB is equals to I. Here A and B both are square matrices. Suppose we have four options and we need to find which of these are not true. The first option is BA is equals to I. The second option is A inverse equals to B. The third option is B inverse equals to A. And the fourth option is A square equals to B. As we know that AB is equals to I can be written as A inverse equals to B. Therefore, this is the correct answer. And BA is equals to A. So this is also correct. B inverse equals to A. This is also correct. Hence, the wrong option is A squared is equals to B. Okay. So our answer is A squared equals to B is not true. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we take another example. Example 3. A square matrix which is non-singular matrix and satisfies A is a square and non-singular matrix and satisfies A square minus A plus 2I is equals to 0. Then we have to find the value of A inverse. Okay. So how can we find this? Let's see. A square minus A plus 2I is equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, we can write it as, after taking A as common, we get A minus I plus 2 into A inverse. As A is square and non-singular, therefore inverse exists. Therefore, we can write A minus I plus 2 into A inverse is equals to 0. Therefore, A minus I plus 2 into A inverse is equals to 0. Therefore 2 into A inverse is equals to I minus A, and hence the answer is I minus A divided by 2. Okay, so the correct answer is I minus A divided by 2. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.